Eric's truck. It is so freaking windy out here. And this guy must be empty. I don't know how he's keeping his truck from flipping over right now. Look at this freaking thing. I just passed him just a little while ago because I didn't want to be behind him when he flips, right? And now he just freaking passed me. Like, dude, slow down, man. It's that windy out here, and your truck is like tilting. That might be a sign that you should slow down, or at least slow down. I don't know if you can see it, but that puppy is just freaking getting blown silly. Like us big trucks, man, we're loaded with, like for my case, like 35,000 pounds, man. I'm getting blown around all over the place, dude. Yeah, it's pretty funny. I should have gotten a look at the driver. Yeah, usually they'll tell you something. Or maybe he's already crashed it and it's just offset. The frame is twisted or bent or something. Who knows? Whatever. Ain't none of my business. Just don't crash in front of me, stupid. Because you want to go freaking, whatever. Anyways, hey, how y'all doing? Welcome back. Good afternoon to you. From the vicinity of, let's see, Grand Island, Nebraska. Maybe a little bit closer to York. Yeah, we'll go with York. Lincoln is still a little ways off. But yes, York is not far at all. And we will be pulling in shortly here to a Petro stopping centers as we make our way along I-80E eastbound to take a quick break and maybe top off the tanks. And yeah, I know it's interesting. We left Big Springs this morning, and the tank was reading just over half full, and we've gone almost 300 miles. Maybe not quite 300 miles, 200 and some odd miles, and it's still reading about the same amount of fuel. So I have a feeling maybe something's not reading accurately, probably because the truck is being tilted, or I don't know. But yes, it is very, very windy out here today in Nebraska. Always makes for a bit of an exhausting drive, the wind does. So anyways, let's go ahead and check in real quick. We got Friday, April 2nd, 2021. I guess it's Good Friday, so happy Good Friday to you. If you celebrate that kind of thing. I don't know, I'm not Jewish, so I certainly do not. But whatever. We're calling it out anyways for you. Current local time here in Nebraska is 2:40 in the p.m. The battery is 100% charged on my work phone. We got 72 degrees. Really? Man, that's warmer than I thought it was out here. Well, I do have the AC on in here, so I guess that should tell you something. And our elevation is in the neighborhood of 1,700 feet. And wow, look at this just sunny day. Blue skies. They're a little bit hazy kind of looking, but they're blue. It's a blue. What is this there bullshit? The sky is blue. It's where did I get there? I don't know. Sometimes I don't even know what I'm saying. It's nice weather. We'll just leave it at that. It's been great weather the whole drive. Since I came back from break, it's been freaking very nice. We hit a little bit of rain top off these tanks, empty Max's tanks, empty my tanks, and look for more pudding. I don't know. You know I'm going to. I'm going to look for more butterscotch pudding. And probably something to eat too, as I did not find anything worthy of calling itself breakfast when I left the pilot over at Big Springs this morning. So, you know, something to eat sounds good. Did you see that truck, that Estes truck right there? That thing just, you see it get kicked over like that after it came out of that, after it came out of that underpass? The trailer just got kicked. A big gust of wind, man. It is freaking windy out here. Son of a bitch. I don't know. I can handle a lot of different kinds of weather conditions. The one thing I just really don't like is wind. It's just, I don't know. It's not pleasant at all. There's nothing romantic about the wind, right? You know, you can have like a romantic rainy day or a romantic, you know, snowy day, you know, or a romantic sunny, calm day, you know. But when it's windy, there's nothing you can say, you know, there's no romance to it at all. Like, damn, it's just fucking windy. This sucks. Right? Yeah. Like, it's probably a woman's worst fear. It's like, she'll set her wedding day and it'll be windy on her wedding day, right? Just make a mess of things, you know? I imagine like tornadoes probably aren't that romantic either. You know, it's like, oh, a tornado's coming. What a romantic thing. I don't think that's ever been said. A hurricane, that could be, you know, romantic. You know, you head down to the bunker, head down to the bunker, light some candles, maybe put on some classical music or something. Try to ignore all the freaking flying debris going on overhead. Yeah, but this kind of shit is nuts. And to that, we've seen like 3 truck wrecks along the way too. And what's interesting is where we saw them was before we got into like really windy conditions. But yeah, there was like 3 truck wrecks along the way here in Nebraska today that were pretty well new. You know, they were still being dealt with. Shit. That reminds me. What was it? It must have been yesterday.
1.25 miles. Take exit 353 on the right to US 81. Then keep right.
Okay, Sheila D. It must have been yesterday. We were going through Utah, or it might have gotten into Wyoming. No, I'm pretty sure we were still going through Utah. Whatever, that's besides the point. And there was a lane closure sign thing, right? And a bunch of cones set up as we're cruising along there, and then, you know, speed reduction down to 65. So, you know, you go, okay, yeah, so road work stuff going on. Well, no. And they had the right lane closed for all of it. They were cleaning up.
Take exit 353 on the right to US 81. Then keep right.
A truck wreck area. It was just scorched earth, and it was all over the lanes of the interstate, like both lanes, and in the center divide, and then they were cleaning up all the debris on the right side, on the right shoulder,
keep
over
right
there in the grass.
On US 81, then take the first right.
And it was just like scorched earth. What it looked like to me was like a frickin', you know, somebody did a drone strike on a you know 2 trucks or something like that, and so they have this freaking big old bulldozer over there just loading up a dumpster of just scorched truck, you know, just scorched truck and trailer, and it was just gnarly looking, man. Just freaking gnarly looking. And a couple guys hopped on the radio and were talking about it. I guess they were aware of what had happened and stuff, and you know, it absolutely was a fatality. I
Turn
guess
right
it was
on
like
the road.
truck and a big truck and then a 4-wheeler, you know, maybe a pickup, you know, hauling a camper or something. I don't know, but I guess they got tangled up. However, it caught fire like that. It looked like it just freaking up and exploded, though. So I don't know, whatever that means. It was nasty. It was definitely gnarly looking. Okay, Petro. Here we are.
Arriving at Petra Stopping Center
I seen
on the
that
right.
same girl sitting there in that same spot, holding that same sign. The last time I was here, probably like a month and a half ago.
Please drive to highlighted route.
Wearing a nice, clean looking sweater and everything too, like a brand new looking sweater. Sitting there with her cell phone. Wow. I don't know. That's interesting. Yep, I guess we better fuel up. I don't know, we probably could have kept going, but it's time for a break anyways, I figured. Alright, we will be back in a bit. See ya. Frickin' monster. Guy's just driving around with a frickin' machine monster on the back of his truck. Hey dude, looks like you got a freaking mechanical dinosaur on the back of your truck there. I just thought you might want to know. Alright, we are fueled up. I'm gonna run over here and park real quick so I can either eat or get myself situated to eat. I haven't decided yet. But I got butterscotch pudding. So we gotta make a mental note. I gotta put like a little favorites flag up here on Sheila B or Sheila D to remind myself. And I'm not gonna write it as Petro Fueling Stopping Center. I'm just gonna write it as butterscotch pudding. I freaking love it so much. And we did all our max stuff, so that's good. Well, while we were fueling. Well, there you go. I'll be right back. Okie dokie. Here we go, Max. You just stay over there in that seat and everything will be fine. That's cool. We got our half-hour break out of the way while we're at it here. Got myself a little bite to eat. Got my butterscotch pudding. Cleaned the windshield. Filled the tanks. Max dumped. Max dumped his. I probably already said all this, but what's wrong with saying it again? freaking windy. Oh, man. Well, I don't know. I already said that too. I mean, like, huh. Oh my God, this is a big one. Slow down. Oh my gosh. That is a big pothole. I don't know, I'm not that happy with what I got to eat here. I got like a, you know, they have like these little kitchens in there, and they just make various kinds of stuff, and then put it under the heat lamp. So I got like a box.
Turn left on US 81, then exit right.
Cheesy tater tots and like breaded cheese raviolis. I don't know. They're all right. Yep, I'm pretty sure that's the same girl who's been there since last time I came by.
Take the exit on the right to I-80 East.
Eastbound, huh? All right. Lincoln to the right. Yeah, I mean, that freaking wind damn near ripped the freaking door off the hinges again when I pulled up to the fuel islands and opened it up. I just forgot that it was windy there, and it damn near ripped the freaking thing out of my hand again. Strong stuff. And hopefully this little box truck that passed us a while ago doesn't go up the way and flip over for us.
Continue on I-80.
Oh, big scene. Yep. Get out of there, Max. That's mine. Yep. So anyways, so what do we got? 3:24 in the PM. We got 1,172 miles to go. And I'm just gonna sit back and eat my little cheesy tater tots, my cheese raviolis, maybe a bucket of pudding, and try to be cool about it. So, anyways, we'll see y'all somewhere up the road here. The day is yet to be played out here. So, see you in a bit. Now that's just funny right there. Can you read it? I don't know what the company's name is, but it is the home of the Testicle Festival. So there you go. 402-944-9974. Give them a call and see what they're all about. They are the home of the Testicle Festival. We love them. Ah. Yeah, that's pretty funny. Wow. So, yeah, hey, how goes it? Let's see, drop catering, round the bend, beef done right. So I think maybe it's Round the Bend is the name of their company. So there you go. Give them a call if you need any catering. Beef is their specialty, and apparently they also specialize in testicles. Kind of like the Elmo doll, you know, you just squeeze them and give them a testicle. So what do we got? Still I-80 eastbound, of course, going past mile marker 425 over 2 or so, something like that. 425 over 8. There you go. Maybe they're doing a catering event for Good Friday. Got some what do they call it? Damn it, it's right there. It's right there. Oh, kosher. Maybe testicles are kosher. Kosher food. Yeah, I don't know. I imagine it probably depends on what kind of testicles they are. What'd that sign say? Omaha, 30 miles? Oh, there you go. About to go over, we are about to go over, let's see, hey, Platte River. Imagine that. That's exactly what I was going to say, too. That's funny. Huh. So we have a somewhat northeasterly. We are headed due somewhat northeasterly here, so we have found ourselves with a tailwind. Finally. It man, it does. It gets freaking exhausting trying to keep this big old truck between the lines there through all that crosswind, but it is behind us right now for the time being. So we're going to enjoy it for the next 30 or 40 miles, or maybe only 20, until we swing around and start heading exactly due east again up there near Omaha. But yeah, so anyways, it makes it difficult to eat pudding, I'll tell you what. It makes it difficult to eat pudding and drive, having a 40 mile, 50 mile an hour plus crosswind going by it. It's not an easy task. I don't necessarily recommend it unless you are absolutely a professional. Don't try that at home. So anyways, we got 1,097 miles left to go. Time is now 4:30ish, I believe. Yeah, 4:30ish in the PM. 6 hours, 23 minutes of drive time remaining for today. So that's the deal. 73 degrees. We got the AC on. And as I said, we're just trying to keep her between the lines. So anyways, there you go. I just had to share that. Don't forget to call them now. Ask them about their testicle festival by all means if they cater in your area. So, alrighty, see y'all later.
Red flag warning remains in effect until 8 p.m. for wind and low relative humidity for eastern Nebraska and southwest Iowa. Affected area in Iowa: Monona, Harrison, Shelby, Potawatomi, Mills, Montgomery, Fremont, and Page. In Nebraska: Knox, Cedar, Thurston, Antelope, Pierce, Wayne, Boone, Madison, Stanton, Cumming, Burke, Platte, Colfax, Dodge, Washington, Butler, Saunders, Douglas, Sarpy, Seward, Lancaster, Cass, Odo, Saline, Jefferson, Gage, Johnson, Nemaha, Pawnee, and Richardson. Winds from the south-southwest at 15 to 25 miles per hour with gusts of 35 to 45 miles per hour.
Yeah, at least.
Relative humidity as low as 20 to 23%. The following impacts are expected. Any fires that ignite may spread rapidly and exhibit extreme behavior. A red flag warning means that critical fire weather conditions are either occurring now or will shortly. A combination of strong winds, low relative humidity, and warm temperatures can contribute to extreme fire behavior. Now for the official National Weather Service forecast for the Hancock area. Tonight, clear. Lows in the lower 40s. South winds 10 to 20 miles an hour with gusts to around 30 miles an hour. Saturday, sunny. Highs in the mid-70s. Southwest winds 5 to 10 miles an hour shifting to the northwest in the afternoon. Saturday night, mostly clear.
Yeah, well, today's Friday.
Sunday, sunny.
Man, we just cannot escape this freaking wind today. Welcome to Iowa. Yep, we've been in this freaking wind all day long. Max, be quiet. No. All day long. And I don't know, that just said 30 to 35 mile an hour gust. I'd say it's, fuck. I'd say it's more along the lines of freaking 50 or 60. Yep. All through Nebraska, and it's gonna be all through Iowa too, it looks like. Son of a bitch. Freaking exhausting. It's giving me a headache, actually. And it's like everybody and their freaking brother's mother is out today, traveling and trucking. Bananas. I guess, you know, whatever. The Friday before Easter, I guess it kind of makes sense. Anyways, yeah, welcome to Iowa. What do we got here? We still have Friday, April 2nd, of course, 2021, of course. The current time now is 5:46 in the p.m. Temperatures dropped down to 68 degrees, and we got an elevation of about 1,300 feet. As we make our way along 80 here eastbound. Man, this guy is freaking running these doubles. I don't know. Pretty sketchy looking. Hold that shit between them lines there, driver. Des Moines, 66 miles to go. Yeah, not only is that guy running doubles in this wind, but he must be light, because he just tried passing a truck behind me going uphill. That's, with the winds the way they are, that's just kind of a bad combination. Yep, so whatever. It's just been a long day. It's only freaking half done. I still have 5 hours to go. Yep. And I've just woken the dog. Freaking little jerk is over here just like looking like man to death right now. Just trying to get under the skin of it. How many licks to the center of a Tootsie Pop? Yeah. My hand is not a Tootsie Pop, dog. Let's not find out. Well, anyways, yes. We'll wrap it up for now. I don't know. I'm just, again, like I said, I'm just trying to keep it between the lines here at 73. So, we'll see you all in a bit. Left lane. Well, hey there, welcome back. Oh, I should probably not
In
shout
1.25
here.
miles, keep left to I-235 East.
Unless I wake up the beast. Welcome to Des Moines, Iowa. Oh boy, we're gonna be, looks like taking the 235. We have an option. We could take the 235 or the 35 and go up around. But for some reason, I'm gonna go on the 235, which kind of goes more through the center of Des Moines. I don't know why Sheila D's want me to do that, but yeah, geez, I don't
Be
know.
in either of the two left lanes.
Well, let's just go with it. Let's go with Sheila D on this one, I guess. Yeah.
Continue on I-235.
Well, I hope this doesn't bite me into the duty. Anyways, so I'm just gonna go ahead and hyperdrive you through this. Oh wow, that is a nice looking vet on the shoulder right there. That's one of those like badass like 700 horsepower vets right there. Man. So as soon as I can get an opportunity, I'm gonna throw you in hyperdrive here, as I said. Just trying to get there out of everybody's way. Yep. Let's see, are we even official? Yeah, we're officially West Des Moines. So there you go. Exit 1B. Indeed. 1B or not to be. Wait a minute.
Arriving at Travel Centers of America on the left.
Man, I can't even whistle. Wow, that was just a mad dash for the TA over here in Morris, Illinois.
Please drive to highlighted route.
Yeah, it was a mad dash.
When possible, make a U-turn, then take the first left.
Tell you what, whenever possible, I'm gonna take one of these freaking reserved spots. To hell with them. I'm just gonna snatch one up, I figure. You know what? One of these looks pretty good right here, too. This looks pretty good. Don't let me crash into anybody. Been a long day. Let's see if I can manage this here. Tell how much freaking room I got behind me there. I know I'm getting close. Yeah, I better go check. I'll be right back. You know what? I just changed my mind. I am gonna go back over one of these other spots.
Turn left at the traffic light, then take the first left.
The reason being, it's a max thing. There's a big giant freaking grassy field right there, so Kelly, why are you going way so far away from the freaking store? I don't know. I'm just doing it. I don't know. Now the trick is freaking seeing the damn lines here. When I back up, I can kind of see them. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Yes, so welcome to TA Morris, Pennsylvania. Pennsylvania? Did I say Pennsylvania? Illinois, stupid. Not to Pennsylvania yet. We still got, jeez, what do we still got? Not too bad. 654 miles left to go to our destination in Pennsylvania. So that was a pretty good day. It looks like we got in about 750 some odd. Let's see here. Let's see what it tells me. 757 plus 10, so yeah, almost 770 today. We had a really good day today, actually. Max was freaking the best he's been yet. Did you hear him? Yes, Max, you were the best dog yet today. We only made 2 stops today, so basically 1 every 4 hours. 2 stops today. That was it. That's amazing. That's the best run.
Westbounder's got a radio turned down 104.5 in the middle.
I'm still talking about it. I think that's the best run that I've had. Not miles wise necessarily, but just without making a bunch of stops since I picked him up, since I got him in Arizona, however many months ago that was. Because yeah, we only made 2 stops. Is that right? Yeah, 2 stops. One at Petro and one at a rest area to go play, and that was it. The rest of it was all driving. That's pretty good compared to what I used to do. 7 hours, or I used to do as close as possible to 8 hours as I could, and then take my half-hour break and then run the remaining 3 hours and 15 minutes or whatever. I'd do like 7 hours and 45 minutes and then 3 hours and 15 minutes. And when I was doing that, I was getting into the that's when I was getting a consistent 770 or 780 to 790 miles a day consistently. So yeah, that was a really good day today. We did it, Max. You did so freaking good. It's amazing. I hope that becomes a also consistent thing, because it makes for more time for us to be able to go play. It's just having to get out and go pee or poo and then get back in the truck. We get more play time out of it like that. So anyways, what time we got? We got 11:47 in the PM local out here. 45 degrees. That's actually not accurate, because it was telling me 39 a minute ago. So, and I think that's about that. Yep, I think that's about that. Time to my remaining drive time out there, it's telling me 10 hours and 12 minutes, which is good, because it's under 11. So that means I can get there in one shot tomorrow. I won't have to make a sleep stop tomorrow on the way out there. That's all doable. 600, what did I say? 65? 50? Wait. Yeah, 654. Easy peasy. So it'll be an easy, well, actually, I don't know why. I'm just kind of babbling. Give me a break. It's been a long day, but yeah. We got Indiana is 65 mile an hour state, and then portions of Pennsylvania are a little busy and can be a little congested and stuff. So it's kind of like what it is coming out of Oregon. We're not able to get up to top speed, top end, but whatever, we'll make it. So anyways, I hope y'all are doing well, and I hope you enjoyed today's drive, and well, we'll be back at it tomorrow. So we'll see you somewhere down the road. Take care. See ya.